In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic onboarding in Trainerize. We'll build a simple, reliable automation that welcomes new clients, assigns their first tasks, and schedules check-ins, so every new client gets a consistent start without you lifting a finger. First, log into the web version of Trainerize. In the left-hand menu, you'll either see add-ons and then automation, or on newer accounts, growth tools and then client journeys. Either path takes you to the place where automations live. Create a new workflow by clicking Create Automation or New Journey. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger, the event that starts your onboarding. Common choices are when a client is added to your account, when a client's payment is completed if you use commerce, or when a client is assigned to a program. Pick the one that matches how you enroll clients. Give your workflow a clear name, like New Client Onboarding, 7 days, so you can recognize it at a glance later. Now confirm your trigger. If you manually add clients and want onboarding to start immediately, use client is added. If you prefer to wait until a purchase clears, use payment is completed. If you gate onboarding behind assigning a specific program, choose the program assignment trigger. The goal is to tie your automation to the exact moment you want onboarding to begin. Next, add your onboarding actions. Start with a welcome message. Use an automated in-app message to introduce the experience, set expectations, outline coaching hours, and share the first steps. Then assign your onboarding program so the right workouts and tasks appear automatically. Add a simple habit, a starter meal plan, or a basic workout routine to create quick wins. Something like a daily step goal works great. Schedule check-ins by adding reminders for progress photos, body stats, and weekly check-ins to keep accountability baked in from day one. If your setup supports email notifications through payments or connected add-ons, include an email touch for key summaries. Finally, attach any forms or questionnaires you require, such as a health screening or a goals form, so you capture essentials up front. To avoid overwhelming new clients, add delays between actions. For example, send the welcome message immediately, assign the program on day 1, add a habit on day 2, share an FAQ on day 3, and schedule the first check-in around day 7. Click Add Delay and choose hours or days, like wait 1 day before the next action. Before going live, review the entire flow. When everything looks good, turn the automation on and run a test with a test client to confirm messages, assignments, and timing. Your automatic onboarding is now ready to greet every new client consistently and professionally.